Imagine being able to plan an entire year of financial progress with just one tool. Sounds like a pipe dream, right? But it's not, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. Now, you're probably thinking, I've seen a ton of videos on financial tools, but what's different about this one? Well, unlike other videos where they push affiliate links or sell you some overhyped product, I'm here to give you real, actionable advice with no hidden incentives. I've seen firsthand how powerful this tool can be, and I'll explain exactly how you can use it to plan your year efficiently, step by step. Let's dive right in. The financial tool I'm talking about is a simple one, a digital budget planner. Now, I know you might be thinking, what's so special about that? But hear me out. This tool isn't just about tracking your spending. It's about giving you a roadmap for your entire financial year. Think of it like a GPS for your financial goals. For the first reason you should use a budget planner, it allows you to visually track your money flow. Most people don't know where their money's going because they never take the time to look at their income and expenses in detail. With this tool, you can set up categories for everything: your savings, investments, fixed costs, and even the things you're splurging on. It's like having an X-ray of your financial life. But here's where it gets interesting. Once you can see where your money is going, you can start planning for the future. A budget planner lets you set both short-term and long-term goals. Want to save for a vacation or start investing more aggressively? With a digital budget planner, you can break down the amounts you need to save each month to hit those goals. The third reason why this tool is a game changer is that it helps you automate your financial decisions. We all know the power of automation in other areas of life, but when it comes to money, most people still handle things manually. This tool can send you reminders when bills are due, track recurring payments, and even suggest areas to cut back. Automation keeps you on track, even when life gets busy. But it doesn't stop there. What's even better is that a budget planner helps you analyze your progress as the year goes on. Imagine reviewing your finances each quarter and seeing exactly how much you've saved or invested compared to where you thought you'd be. That kind of feedback is incredibly powerful because it lets you adjust your strategies in real time. Now, I'm not going to lie. The biggest mistake people make with tools like this is forgetting to review them regularly. You'll have everything set up, your budget, your goals, your reminders, and then you get distracted. Maybe life happens, maybe your priorities shift. That's why you need to commit to checking in at least once a month. Trust me, the effort you put in will pay off tenfold. If you've stuck with me this far, you're probably starting to see how much potential a simple tool like this can have. And here's the kicker. By using this tool, you're not only planning your finances, you're building the habit of being intentional with your money. That's something that most people miss, but it's a crucial part of financial success. So here's what I want you to do. Pick up a digital budget planner, set it up, and then commit to reviewing it every month. You'll be amazed at how much more in control you'll feel about your financial future. And don't just take my word for it. Take the action and see the results for yourself. If you found value in this video and you want to support content that isn't pushing affiliate links, make sure to hit subscribe. I've got a lot more to share, and I'm here to give you the tools to take control of your financial future without any hidden agendas.